Y'all be wondering why am I sitting down looking like this. So hello everyone, it's Faye here, and today I would be doing the ABG transformation video. And I have absolutely no idea what's gonna happen in here, but like actually one of my old classmates suggested it in the comment section, and I figured out like why not, since I have all the time in the world. So without further ado, let's get started.
네가 보인다 다가가려다 또 하나의 태양이 발을 멈춘다 노을빛이 번져 나의 맘을 가려 baby I'm done for love 언젠가는 모든 네 옆에 날 shoulder 네 미소를 가진 그 사람이 brother 행복한 날 보니 이미 game's over let it I'm down for your love 너의 그 사랑이 쳐다보지 못할 만큼 더 잘라놔도 맘을 숨겨둔 lonely night 숨 막히는 어둠 속에 나를 가둘게 너를 위해 오랜 못 버티지만 매일 밤 down for love down for love I'm down for love.
She's a bit dusty, but I have no idea how a bronzer works since I'm already tan as is, so hell, it's fine, you know, just gradually mix this 3 shades right there. I'm going to apply at the outer half of my face like so, because if you apply it to the outer side, to the outer parts of your cheek, it gives you a more mature effect rather than putting it to the apples of your cheeks, because if you put it here it gives you that more youthful glow. But right now, because we're doing an ABG makeover, ABG transformation, she's gotta be up there, you know.
눈부시게 아름다워 내 질투심 속에 나 휩싸여 발이 비춘 하늘 아래 지옥 같은 맘은 아래 온종일 네게 스며들다가 조금 더 깊어진 몸을 따라 지금 당장 내게로 가 너만의 세상을 뒤집을까 새로운 태양이 떠 You're gonna love.
So I'm using the same concealer as my primer, which is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm sorry if my palette's messy, my concealer got on it, but after priming the eyelids, I am dipping into pancakes to set. I'm going to dip in Cup of Tea, in the shade Cup of Tea, and apply it all over my eyelids, all over my crease, and my eyelids basically all over. Oh my god, that looks so different. But anyways, and then I am going to dip into, I think it's Mug Cake, which is the warmer tone of brown, and I'm just going to apply it all over my inner lip. And I'm going to dip onto Cup of Tea again to blend it out. Then I'm going to dip into Nightmare, just a tinge. And then I think I'm going to use the shade Sparks Fly, and then apply it in the middle just to add a little bit of, actually I don't know, I kind of want to drag it inside. You know what, we should. I'm gonna do it. I'm using the Dolly Bank liquid eyeliner. And girl, please help. Send help, because I cannot line my eyes anymore. I don't remember how to line my eyes anymore. Definitely not at my eyeliner dying on me, but definitely at my eyeliner for dying at me. It takes ages for it to coat like the brush. Like, I'm suffering. Moving along, since that one is over, I'll just use the my Kate gel liner. It's called the Clock. The Kate Tokyo Sharp Lock. There we go. That is our eyeliner done. Actually, it's not really, I have to tie-line it, but before I do that, I like to put on my fake lashes. So for this one, I'm using the Girls with Attitude Mermaid in the style Mermaid Tear Lash. I've used this before, but like we all reuse our lashes, so I'm going to apply this first. First of all, I'm back with my lashes on.
눈부시게 아름다워 내 질투심 속에 나 휩싸여 발이 비춘 하늘 아래 지옥 같은 맘은 아래 온종일 네게 스며들다가 조금 더 깊어진 몸을 따라 지금 당장 내게로 가 너만의 세상을 뒤집어.
My face for the ABG transformation, and now for the fun part, which is the fake tattoos to be transferred onto my arms. I do not look like myself. Girl, she is a different entity. She's a rose, or is she a puppy? I have no idea. I mean a peony. I have no idea, but we're gonna go with it. So oh my god. So this is the finished look, and now I'm just gonna pop in some jewelry. I have this like a septum ring for like the longest time. I don't really have like the big hoops, so I'm just gonna pop in these hexagonal, is it hexagonal? Yeah, the hexagonal ones, earrings, your fake tattoos going on right now, and my boba, because it's like in the middle of the night right now. So I'm gonna go. Also, I live out of nowhere, so there's no way I'm gonna get bubble tea outside. So making my homemade tea, I guess. I wanted to add more. Thank you so much for chilling in with me with this dramatic. It's not really dramatic. I feel like I do my makeup like this anyways. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! 새로운 태양이 떠, you're gonna love it. 난 늘 목말라, baby. 짙어지는